Hi, this is the Realme Pad Mini and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. Here we got, this is the empty box. So here we got the quick start guide, empty guide, safety guide, and the warranty cards, some paperwork, and let's check also this second box. Also we got here the SIM eject tool, and let's check this box. So this is the charger, the original one with all of the specifications, the Realme, and the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our Realme Pad comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.